Hello, this is Sierra from Knoema. In this video, I'll show you how to use the bookmarks feature on Knoema.com. When you work with data, you come across many datasets, dashboards, search results, and visualizations on a daily basis. It is important to be able to mark the most relevant resources for quick reference and use. Keep track of specific resources with the bookmarks feature on Knoema.com. Here's how. First, make sure you're logged in to Knoema. Then, click the bookmark icon to add a resource to your bookmarks. You can bookmark time series, datasets, visualizations, dashboards, and presentations from any place on the website. From search, you can bookmark time series, visualizations, and datasets. In the Dataset viewer, you can bookmark an entire dataset or a particular visualization. When a visualization is not shown, clicking the bookmark will add just the dataset. When a visualization is shown, the specific view will be added to your bookmarks. From Data Insights, you can bookmark an entire dashboard or individual visualizations. Bookmark charts in the World Data Atlas. To access the resource you've bookmarked, click Bookmarks on the left panel. You can also see your bookmarks on your personalized homepage. All of your bookmarked resources are divided into data, visualizations, and pages. Here, you can view, filter, or remove bookmarks. You can also download selected data and export visualizations or pages to different formats. Build a new dashboard or a presentation of selected visualizations, or paste visualizations from bookmarks to your dashboard. Now you know how to use bookmarks at Knoema. Thank you for your time.